Begin by completely removing the foot pad from the bottom of the bin leg. Next, remove the bracket assembly from the box. Take note of the installation details that are shown on the outside of the box, as well as the instructions included in the hardware bag. Ensure that there is 3/4 of an inch of clearance between the C-channel adapter and the bracket assembly. If needed, adjust the bolt on top of the bracket to raise or lower the C-channel adapter. Now, measure and draw a center line on the bin leg. Place the bracket up to the leg so the C-channel adapter is flush against the leg and aligned so that the holes in the C-channel adapter are centered over the line. Mark the holes of the C-channel adapter on the bin leg. Drill 3 1/2-inch holes where you mark the bin leg. It is typically easier to center punch and drill pilot holes and then widen them with a 1/2-inch bit. Position the bracket assembly by the bin leg and align the holes in the C-channel adapter with the drilled holes. Align the bracket assembly so that it's 3/8 of an inch from the bin leg and the C-channel adapter is flush against the leg. Insert the 1/2-inch bolts through the C-channel adapter, then place the washer plate and a nut on each bolt and hand tighten. Using a torque wrench, tighten the C-channel bolts to 33 foot-pounds. Take care not to move the bracket during tightening. Complete these steps for each bin leg before moving to step 2. Hand tighten the top bolt on each bracket. To help you keep track of bolt revolutions as you raise the bin, draw a line on the bolt on top of the A-frame. Insert a screwdriver between the load cell and the A-frame to prevent the load cell from rotating, then tighten the top bolt 1 full revolution. Move to the next A-frame in a clockwise fashion and repeat, turning each bolt 1 full revolution until the legs of the bin are 1/2 inch off the ground. Finally, place a retention clip over the top bolt on each A-frame to prevent the bolt from turning further. Ensure proper A-frame and bin leg clearances are met and that there is no mechanical binding. Drill 2 anchor bolt holes 2 1/4 inches deep in the pad diagonally opposite of each other. Please note, for 15K load cell configurations, you will need to drill and place anchor bolts in the 4 corner holes. Hammer the anchor bolts into the pad until they are firmly in place. Tighten each bolt to 55 foot-pounds. Do a final inspection of each A-frame bracket for proper clearances.